This is how to work out on the road with Hilton. My name is Elijah Hobley, and I'm a head trainer at Hilton New Orleans Riverside. How many sessions I have today?
15.
Woo! Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Step 1, choose your location. At the Hilton Riverside, you have the best of both worlds. Work out in your room or in our state-of-the-art athletic facility. Step 2, get in the groove and warm up with a quick stretch. We're gonna go left over our right leg. Just extend our left elbow, right elbow to our back. We're gonna twist to get our lower extremities here. Next, we're gonna go into the hurdle stretch. Right leg back, keeping the quad down. Lean back as much as you can. Trying to keep this quad down and breathe. Now you're ready for a workout. Don't forget to hydrate. Step 3, work it out. We're gonna go through a 20-minute full body workout using your own body weight, along with added weights in the gym for more of a challenge. First thing, stationary squats, 45 seconds. Keep your knees tucked under, guys. Keep your head up at the same time. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. Turn your feet outward to take pressure off your knees. Next, you wanna do 50 jumping jacks, okay? We're gonna warm it up. Make sure you get your shoulders up over your ears and breathe. The key thing about jumping jack is breathing. Deep, short breath. Get the heart pumping good, all right? Now we're gonna move on to lunges, 2 sets of 20s. Working your quads, ham and glutes. To now let your knee go over your toe, okay? You wanna sit back. When you're done with one leg, switch it up. 5 more. The next thing we do is jump squats. We got 2 of 30. Notice I'm keeping my core tight, keeping the head up. Now we're gonna take it down, guys. We're gonna do some push-ups, 3 sets of 15. We're gonna take it down real smooth, and we're gonna bring it up. Deep breath, blow it out. Push it, working that pecs. Keeping your core tight. Have trouble doing it the normal way. Cross those feet and bring it here. Next up, plank hold, 2 sets of 30. Remember, keep your back straight, butt down, and breathe. 30-second hold. Now we're gonna move on to 2 sets of 30 Russian twists. Legs up cross, hand and fist. We're gonna go left to right. Remember to breathe, guys. We're gonna finish up with doing 2 sets of 50 flutter kicks. We're gonna lay it on our back. Hands on the glutes, legs up 6 inches. We're gonna flutter. Moving fast as you can. And I'm gonna break it down. Take a deep breath. And that's it for the workout portion. Step 4, chill out. Cool down with deep breaths and gentle stretches. I like to do the stretches by taking my right across my left, pull it back, take deep breaths, hold for a few seconds. Other side. Take it down, a little back, up. Deep breath. Other side. Step 5, fuel up. Eating or drinking protein after your workout is key for muscle recovery. Fun fact, I used to be a professional basketball player.